Hi, I'm Norman from Makita UK. Today I have for you the very impressive HR166D Rotary Hammer Impact Driver. Based on the Makita CXT 10.8 volt platform, this is a very impressive handheld drill, useful for horizontal and upright drilling. It comes with a very impressive 680 RPM, 4,800 impacts per minute. The machine itself is a single operation slide SDS plus chuck, aerodynamically designed rubber handle to absorb vibration, and you'll see with this machine anti-vibration push pull for ease of use. The HR166D is a two-mode operation. You have rotary hammer and rotary only. HR166D readily available at Toolstop.